Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at how do we divide a line into a number of equal parts. Now, in the previous drawing, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the perimeter and altitude. So perhaps you could visit that video after you've completed watching this one. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. So the first thing we're going to draw is our line, and the length of the line will be equal to 125.6 millimeters. Enter. All right. So we're going to center the drawing and we're going to zoom it up. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to label the line for you so you can follow. Okay. So I'm going to label text, single line text. The height would be 4. Enter. Rotational angle will be 0. Enter. So all caps, this will be A, this will be B. All right. What we're going to do now, we're going to divide this line into 12 equal parts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line from here. Any random, I'm going to turn off ortho so you can see the line. Any random line, enter. I'm going to label that line for you, C. All right. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to turn off snap, object snap, sorry. I'm going to click here, and this would be the height to be 4, rotational angle 0. This would be C. All right, what I'm going to do now, because I want to divide the line into 12, I'm going to mark 12 arcs of the same radius along the line AC, with the radius being any convenient radius, but I'm going to use 10 millimeters. All right. So I'm going to come up to the draw tab. I'm going to select the drop down arrow at arc. I'm going to go center, start, end. So I'm going to turn on object snap. Right. This radius will be 10. All right. I'm going to repeat the process. So we're going to come back again. Center, start, end. This radius will be 10. Come again. Center, start, end. We need 10 millimeter radius. Enter. Good. So we come in center, start, end. So center here. Radius will be 10. Now remember, you can use any convenient radius. I just use 10 millimeters. And if you're using the traditional instruments, the 10 millimeters is easy to measure on the set square or your ruler, depending on what tool you're using as a measuring tool. So we go intersection, 10 millimeter arc, enter. Good. Hope you're following along. Good job. So center, start, end, center here. Radius will be 10. Enter. Come again. Center, start, end. This radius is 10. Come again. Center, start, end. Radius will be 10. Enter. We're going to repeat the process. Center, start, end. 10 millimeter. Enter. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to number the points. Center, start, end. Center. Radius is 10. Enter. All right, so let us number it for you. So we're dividing the line AB into 12 equal parts. So the start, I'm going to turn off object snap. The start would be here. The height will be 4, rotational angle 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 would be here, 12. All right? So we need one more arc. So we're going to go center, start, end. Going to turn on object snap. And the radius here would be 10. Right? So that is a 12 division. What we're going to do now, from 12, I'm going to draw a line, a construction line to B. Enter. Now, if you are using the traditional instruments, you will use two set squares, align one of the set squares to the line 12B, and then you slide one set square on the other set square to get it parallel. How I get the parallel line, I copy, right? So I go copy, I select the line 12B as the object, I press enter, I'm going to come here and choose the end point of the line as the base point, right? And I'm going to copy it just like this to each of those points, all right? I'm going to come at 4. I'm going to come to 3. I'm going to center the drawing so you can see it, all right? So we're now at 3. I'm going to go to 2. I'm going to go to 1. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to use the trim command. So we're going to go under the modify tab. We're going to click this trim command, the trim tool. I'm going to just come across like this. And this is how you divide a line into 12 equal parts. Okay, so good job if you got it correct. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we divided the line AB into 12 equal parts using the AutoCAD software. In the next video, we'll be looking at how do we draw an isometric block given the 3D view. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We thank you for joining us and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.